So in this question we want to convert 2132 in base 4 to a base 10 number. Now to start this process, what we want to do is we want to look at the number we're given, which is 2132 in base 4. And what we want to do to start with is to put down our first number, which is 2. And then what we want to do is to multiply this 2 by our base number, which is 4. And then what we want to do is to put this to the power of 3. Now this is starts with to the power of 3 because we have 4 numbers in 2132, and we start by using the power, which is 1 less than the number of numbers that we've got in the number. So we're given 4 numbers in 2132, and 1 less than that is 3. So the first part of this is 2 times 4 to the power of 3. And then what we do is we put down the next number, which is 1, and we also multiply this by our base number 4. But this time we put it to the power of 2 because we start working down from 3 down towards 0. So we take 1 away each time. So this part would be 1 times 4 squared. And then what we do is we put down our next number, which is 3. Again, we multiply that by our base number 4, but this time it's to the power of 1 because I'm taking 1 away from each power each time. And finally, I put down my last number, which is 2. Again, I multiply this by our base number, and this time it is to the power of 0. Again, this is important to realise that the last power that I have should always be 0. Then what I want to do is to start to tidy this up. Now 4 to the power of 3 is 64. I can also tidy up 4 squared, which is 16. 4 to the power of 1 is 4, and be careful, 4 to the power of 0 is 1, not 4. Okay, so 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Again, I can tidy all this up and do 2 times 64, which is 128. 1 times 16 is 16. 3 fours are 12, and 2 times 1 is 2. And finally, I can add this up, and I can get 158. Now, what this means is that I can write my final answer as 2132 in base 4 is also the same as 158 in base 10.